Hello, my name is Raj. I am from India. I live in a small city near Delhi. My city is busy, colorful, and full of life. There are many people, shops, and cars. I am 23 years old. I am a student. I study engineering at university. I like learning new things every day. I want to become a good engineer in the future. I love my country and my culture. I live with my family. My family is big. There are 6 people in my family. My father, my mother, my grandmother, my younger sister, my younger brother, and me. My father is a teacher. He teaches math in a local school. My mother is a homemaker. She cooks delicious food every day. My grandmother is old but very kind. She tells me stories from her childhood. My sister is in high school. She likes drawing and painting. My little brother is only 7 years old. He loves playing cricket with his friends. We are a happy family. We help each other every day. We eat together, laugh together, and pray together. Our house is small but nice. It has 2 floors. On the first floor, there is a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. On the second floor, there are 3 bedrooms. In the living room, there is a sofa, a TV, and a big fan. We sit there in the evening and watch TV. My mother loves watching cooking shows. The kitchen is bright and clean. My mother cooks there every morning. The smell of food fills the house. My room is small but quiet. There is a bed, a table, and a bookshelf. I keep my books and my laptop on the table. I like my room very much. Every day, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower and wear clean clothes. After that, I pray for a few minutes. Then I eat breakfast with my family. I usually eat roti, eggs, and tea. After breakfast, I go to university. I go by bus. The bus is sometimes full, but I don't mind. At university, I study hard. My favorite subject is computer science. I like learning how computers work. At noon, I eat lunch with my friends. Sometimes we eat rice and curry in the canteen. After class, I come back home at 5 o'clock. In the evening, I help my brother with his homework. Then I take a walk outside. I like watching the sunset. After dinner, I read books or listen to music. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I have many hobbies. I like listening to music. I listen to Hindi songs and sometimes English songs. My favorite singer is Arijit Singh. I also like playing cricket. Cricket is very popular in India. I play cricket every weekend with my friends. Sometimes we play in the park near my house. I also like watching movies. My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. I like his movies because they are fun and emotional. On Sundays, I like going to the temple with my family. It makes me feel calm and happy. My favorite food is biryani. It is spicy and delicious. It has rice, chicken, and many Indian spices. I also like samosas and chapati. My mother cooks the best food in the world. Sometimes we eat street food on weekends. I love pani puri and masala dosa. They are very tasty. I also like sweets like gulab jamun and jalebi. They are soft, sweet, and warm. Food in India is full of color and flavor. I never get bored of it. My city is full of life. There are many shops, markets, and temples. Every morning, I hear the sound of birds and people walking to work. In the evening, the streets are full of lights. There are food stalls everywhere. People sell fruits, snacks, and tea. I like drinking chai in the evening with my friends. In my city, people are friendly and helpful. There are also festivals all year round. My favorite festival is Diwali. During Diwali, we light lamps and decorate our house. At night, we see fireworks in the sky. Everyone is happy and smiling. It is my favorite time of the year. I have many dreams. I want to become a great engineer. I want to work in a big company. I also want to help my family. I want to make my parents proud. I dream of traveling to other countries. I want to visit Japan, America, and Australia. I want to learn about their culture and food. I know it is not easy, but I will try my best. I study English every day for my future. I listen to English songs and watch English movies. I believe one day I will speak English fluently. I believe dreams come true when you work hard. This is my story. My life is simple, but it is full of love and hope. I am happy with my family and my friends. Every day, I learn something new. I want to become a better person every day. Thank you for listening to my story. See you again next time.